5 beginner mistakes that stop weight loss. Have you ever finished a workout drenched in sweat, exhausted, only to step on the scale and see nothing? The exact same number staring back at you? It's gut-wrenching. You've put in the work. You're tired, maybe a little hungry, and yet no progress. When that happens, most people think, maybe I'm just not built for this, or my metabolism must be broken. Let me stop you right there. You are not the problem. Chances are you're just falling into a few common beginner traps that almost everyone hits at some point. So let's put an end to the spinning wheels. Here are the 5 mistakes keeping you stuck, and exactly how to fix them. 1. The all-in burnout. We've all done it. Monday, you're a fitness warrior. 2-hour workouts, daily runs, 0 rest. By Thursday, your legs hate you, your energy is gone, and somehow you're ordering a pizza because cooking feels impossible. The truth, your body doesn't reward too much too fast. It sees extreme intensity as stress. Overdo it, and your body goes into lockdown mode. The fix, scale it back. Aim for good enough instead of perfect. 30 minutes of moving your body counts. Showing up consistently wins. The intensity comes later. 2. The starvation trap. Skipping meals seems logical. If I eat less, I'll lose weight. But your body is smarter than that. When meals are skipped, your metabolism slows down. Your body clings to fat like it's life or death. The truth? You're not saving calories. You're teaching your body to hold on to them. The fix, fuel your engine. Eat enough protein to keep your muscles happy and fiber to keep you satisfied. Stop punishing your body. Start nourishing it. 3. The exercise is magic myth. I hate to break it to you, but you can't outrun a messy kitchen. You burn 300 calories on the treadmill, and then scarf down 500 in healthy snacks because you're starving. The truth? Exercise makes you stronger, but your kitchen determines how lean you get. The fix? Don't overhaul everything at once. Start small. Swap soda for sparkling water. Make half your plate vegetables. Tiny changes stick. Big, drastic overhauls fail. 4. Ignoring the invisible factors. You can crush your workouts and nail your meals, but if you're only sleeping 4 hours a night and stress is high, progress stalls. High stress = high cortisol. And guess where cortisol loves to hang out? Belly fat. The truth? Fat loss happens when your body feels safe enough to let go. The fix. Treat sleep like a performance booster. If you have to choose between a 5 a.m. workout and an extra hour of sleep, take the sleep. Your results will thank you. 5. The "are we there yet" mindset. We live in a world of instant gratification. Next day delivery, next day results. When the scale doesn't budge for 3 days, it's tempting to quit. But fat loss isn't a straight line. It's jagged. It goes up, down, sideways. And that's normal. The truth? You didn't gain the weight in a week. You won't lose it in 1. The fix? Step away from the scale for a bit. Track non-scale victories. Do your jeans fit better? Can you run upstairs without huffing? Are you less tired at the end of the day? Those wins matter far more than a number. Final thoughts. Weight loss isn't about punishing yourself. It's about consistency with kindness. Stop sprinting a marathon. Slow down, fix these 5 mistakes, and I promise, you'll start seeing the person in the mirror you've been working toward. You've got this. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.